What's up, you guys? It's Steve here, and for some reason, the US dollar seems to be losing value every single day. We've got 40-year high inflation, record high food and gas prices, and a tumbling stock market, which is leaving a lot of investors wondering, where should I park my hard-earned cash? And I've had viewers ask me, Steve, what do you think about investing in cryptocurrency? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be naming for you the top cryptocurrencies to invest in right now in 2022. Now, just to clarify, at the time of this recording, cryptocurrency is down pretty bad, which actually is not a bad time to buy, right? Buy low, sell high. Well, I'm going to be covering for you the ones that I feel very confident in. Nothing is for sure, but I feel confident are going to be doing well. These are well-established cryptocurrencies with good blockchains. They have smart contracts, and I believe 4 years from now are going to be worth a whole lot more. Now, also, why did I just say 4 years from now? Well, I'm also going to be explaining to you the crypto cycle that all good cryptocurrency investors must know about to know potentially when your crypto might go to the moon or it might fall back down to earth. So I'm going to be covering all the details for you in this video. And just to clarify, I'm going to be covering well-established cryptos. If you are looking for a 1 million X return when Elon Musk tweets about your crypto, you are in the wrong place. For those that have worked really hard for their money and they don't want to gamble it, they just want a solid, sure investment, that's what I'm going to be covering in this video. And I know that at this time, if you're a beginner, there's over 18,000 different cryptocurrencies in existence as of March of 2022. And how is a beginner supposed to know where to invest? Well, I'm going to make sure that you don't run into any of those rug pull scams where investors are literally left holding the bag on worthless coins. There's a lot of scams that have happened, and I'm going to get you set up with some solid ones that I feel confident, as I mentioned, are going to be doing well. So if you appreciate that, don't forget, take a quick second to invest in the like button. It helps out my channel a ton. Thank you so much. Also, if you want to stay up to date on investing, personal finance, cryptocurrencies, videos like this, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, come join the Ram fam, totally free. Hey, why not? And if you got any specific questions for me, maybe about crypto or any other types of investments, I'm easy to get a hold of. Just hop on Instagram, shoot me a DM at SteveRam3. But with that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and talk about some of the top cryptos to invest in right now in 2022. All right, so first off, wanted to mention that if you're a beginner looking to get started in cryptocurrency, but you don't know where to start, that you do not need any particular individual or broker to help you start buying cryptocurrency. Nowadays, it is easier than ever to get started completely on your own. So please don't fall for any of the scams out there, especially here on YouTube. You're going to be seeing comments likely down below, even on this video, with random phone numbers of people saying, contact me on WhatsApp and send me money so I can help you out. You guys, don't fall for those scams, please. I will leave in the description links to different apps that you can use to do it on your own and make your own decisions on your own crypto. You can use the Coinbase app, which is a really great app to buy different cryptocurrencies. I'll also put a link to the BlockFi app, which is known for providing interest on your holdings. Also, if you'd like to stake, there's a lot of different apps that can help you out with that. And even stock apps like Webull and Robinhood have made it so that way you can invest in crypto on their apps as well. So after you watch this video, you gain a little bit of confidence in a crypto that you'd like to buy. I'll also provide you the resources at your disposal to start investing on your own. All right, so now let's talk about the top cryptos to invest in right now. And right now, the market is pretty red, as I mentioned, but I'm going to be sharing with you the ones that I feel like very confidently are going to be doing well here 4 years into the future. Now, the first one is going to be the obvious answer, Bitcoin. Now, allow me to explain to you a little bit about it and where I think this is going to be going. So, as of the time of this recording, April 29th, 2022, Bitcoin is currently worth $38,500 per coin, with a market cap of $734 billion, with a crypto market cap, the entire cryptocurrency world, at $1.76 trillion. So, what exactly does that mean? Well, it means that with a crypto market cap of 1.76 and 734 billion for Bitcoin, that Bitcoin itself accounts for 41% of the entire crypto market. Keep in mind, there's 18,000 different coins. Bitcoin by itself almost accounts for half, which means that it holds so much weight in the space that pretty much whatever Bitcoin does the rest of the coins will likely follow. So if it goes up, they go up. If it goes down, they go down. Now, keeping that in mind, let's discuss the Bitcoin cycle, which is pretty much the crypto cycle since they all follow Bitcoin right now. And this is something that's known as Bitcoin halving, which takes place every 4 years roughly. Take a look, you guys, about every 4 years. Bitcoin halving is when the rewards for mining Bitcoins are cut in half. At the current rate, Bitcoins are being produced. Halving happens about every 4 years, and Bitcoin halving is a part of a system designed to cap the total number of Bitcoin at 21 million. So also, Bitcoin does not have an inflationary element. There are a finite number that will ever be in existence, which is going to cause the value to go up over time. And take a look at this. When is the next halving going to be taking place? Well, a Bitcoin half is when the payout for miners for new blocks is cut in half. And this happens every 210,000 blocks, or approximately every 4 years, the first of which happened in 2012 and the next of which will occur in 2024. So that is going to be the next halving cycle. Now, the 4-year Bitcoin halving cycle has 3 different phases. Now, the first phase is the bull run, where it goes up. Then it has the bear run, where it comes down, and then it has a recovery phase for roughly 2 years. So, of course, everybody's wondering, when is that bull run going to happen? When are we going to see it take off? Well, we had seen this happen for Bitcoin back at the end of 2017, where it roughly hit almost $20,000 per coin. Then it came tumbling down. Then we also saw this at the end of 2021, 4 years later, where it went up to almost $70,000 per coin, which means roughly 4 years from that point, roughly, we don't know exactly how long it's going to take. We'll likely see it shoot up to the moon again, and then we'll see it likely come back down. But every time it gets higher and higher and higher. So chances are, if you invest in it now, 4 years from now, we will have already seen it pop and it will be coming on the way back down. And now for the question I'm sure is pretty much on everybody's mind after hearing about the 4-year cycle. At the end of 2025, when we see Bitcoin begin to take off again, just how high can we expect to see it go? Well, take a look, you guys. The increase of almost 93% in value compared to 2022 will put a prediction price on Bitcoin of $126,127 by the end of 2025. So, think of it like this. As I mentioned today, Bitcoin is currently valued at $38,500 per coin. So, in roughly 4 years from now, you can expect to see your investment go up by 3x. Now, should you invest some today? Should you wait till right before then? Well, that's up to you, but I like to think of it as if I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and I'm going to see a 3x return in 4 years, to me that sounds like a pretty decent investment, and I feel pretty confident in investing in Bitcoin. So that is why I feel like Bitcoin is one of the top cryptocurrencies to invest in right now in 2022. Now, for the second cryptocurrency that is going to be a very good buy in my opinion right now in 2022, it's also going to be another obvious answer for those of you in crypto. It's going to be Ethereum. Now, like I said, though, I'm not trying to do anything fancy or flashy or impress you. Just want to give you the facts of solid investments that I'm confident in that will be worth a lot more here in about 4 years. Now, let's take a look at this really quick. Now, Ethereum, as of today, April 29th, 2022, is worth $2,814 per coin with a market cap of $339 billion, which means it accounts for roughly 20% of the entire crypto space. And this has been gaining in dominance as the years have progressed. And it is said that one day Bitcoin will be overtaken by another crypto, and a lot of crypto investors are banking on it being Ethereum. So it is also gaining in dominance, and it looks like this one is going to be here to stay. Also has a very improved blockchain, smart contracts doing well. It does have those gas fees, but Ethereum is a very solid cryptocurrency. And as you can see, it followed Bitcoin in its 4-year cycle. It really increased in value in 2017 and also at the beginning of 2021, a little bit before the spike we saw in Bitcoin. But you guys, in 4 years from now, for those of you wondering, where's it going to be? Take a look. It's estimated to be at $11,000 per coin by the year 2025, which means that if you invest in it now or along the way, it's expected that in 4 years from now, you could potentially 4x your investment by buying Ethereum. So I gotta be honest with you, Bitcoin and Ethereum are probably the top two. I'm 99.9% confident that these are gonna be here to stay, well-established cryptos that are likely gonna be worth a whole lot more 4 years from now. And those are probably the top ones. Now, if you're also interested in a couple other ones, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 other altcoins that I recommend you take a look at. And they're nothing flashy, they're no meme coins. Like I said, nothing exciting, just ones I feel are really well established and will likely be here to stay. So if you're looking to dip your toes into some altcoins, I would suggest that maybe you consider ADA, Cardano, Solano, and Matic. Those 3 have usually been in the top 10 for quite some time. They're well established, gaining in dominance, and they seem to have a lot of potential. Now, I'm not going to get into all the details like I did with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but if you're interested, I recommend you take a look at those 3 as well. So in my opinion, those are the top cryptocurrencies to potentially look at for investing right now in 2022. So there you have it, you guys, and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Do you have some other coins that you think, Steve, you should have mentioned? Let me know your thoughts. But you guys, I hope this was helpful. My hope is that the Ram fam is able to benefit from this channel and learn more about personal finance and investing and be blessed by this to make good decisions. Hopefully this is going to be improving your knowledge and confidence to invest in crypto. But with that being said, you guys, as always, thank you so much for joining me. And don't forget, if you made it this far and you haven't already, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Helps me out a ton. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Also, leave your comments. Share this out if you think it could be helpful for other people interested in investing in crypto. And if you'd like to come join the Ram fam, learn more about personal finance and investing, totally free. Why not? All you got to do is hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and if you got any specific questions for me, I'm easy to get a hold of directly. Just hop on to Instagram, shoot me a DM at SteveRam3. But with that being said, you guys, once again, thank you so much for joining me, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care. God bless. This is Steve.